Hi friends, let's talk about recoloring a quilt. I'm Kate Colleran and I'm a quilt pattern designer. And one of my favorite things to do is recolor my quilt patterns using new fabric. It really shows off the versatility of the pattern as well as showing off some brand new fun fabrics. Recently, I got to redo my pattern Gemstone in a brand new line from QT Fabrics. The fabric line is called Blissful Blooms, and the box just arrived with the fabric, so I can actually make the quilt. Want to see? Are you ready to see the fabric? You know, unboxing videos are fun, but sometimes it's more fun without the box. So how about a quick sneak peek in the box, and then I'll move it aside and pull all the fabric out. So here we go. Ta-da! Aren't those fun? All right, let's put the box aside and we'll pull out the first stack of fabric for us to look at. So first we have this really sweet floral with the yellow and the grays and a little bit of orange. Oh, then we have this great fern. Oh, I love that. Oh, and this looks like brush strokes, doesn't it? Don't you love the texture it creates? Oh, those first three are really fun. Let's see what else we've got. Oop, some more of the cute little floral. Oh, I love the yellow background with the little orange dots. That's great. What else have we got? Ooh, more ferns. Very nice. Ooh, and more textured brush strokes. Love these. All right, let's see what other fabrics we have for this pattern. Oh my gosh, look at that beautiful floral. I love that. Oh, and the cute little stars. Ooh, more brush strokes. Very nice. Oh my gosh, look at the fern on the dark background. That's gorgeous. And then the little mini floral on the dark background. Ooh, and then the big floral. That is so pretty. Oh my goodness. And then I have this perfect, great white solid to go with all of this. I cannot wait to get started making my quilt. I think it's going to be amazing.